Hey guys, it's me again, Angel from over at Twitch. I just wanted to give you an update on the progress of my scratch painting. I have officially finished. This is what it looks like. It looks pretty amazing at a distance. If you look really closely, I don't know if the camera can pick it up. You can see all the scratch marks though from where you scratch it with the pens. And I did make the mistake of recommending this pen to use for the finer things. It was a texture on one side and I thought it was a scratching off pen on the other side. Turns out it was actually a marker on the other side as well, because you know what happens when you push a marker too much? It gets like fluffy and kind of doesn't work as well. So that wasn't working anymore to scratch the painting off. So I did actually go back to using the toothpick in the diamond painting pen, and that worked really well. So the two tools I mainly used ended up being one that comes with it and just a little toothpick, just to make the job so much easier. So they're really the only two things you need. I did use the brush quite a bit to brush it, but you know, you don't need to buy a brush. You could just use like a makeup brush or something that you already have. So I definitely would not recommend buying the extra tools. I would just use what's in the kit. But be prepared, because as you can see, it does make quite a mess. I've already cleaned this up once. It's very, very messy. So if you're going to compare scratch paintings to diamond paintings, I 100% prefer diamond paintings. This is probably going to be the only scratch painting I do. It's just so easy to knock it, and you know, you hit it with your nail and it shows underneath. Yeah, I did really enjoy it, but it's too messy and too tedious for me. Holding the little pens does hurt my hands, especially like on the trees. Doing the trees and the fireworks and the landscape, it really started to hurt my fingers holding this. I usually use an ergonomic pen for my diamond paintings. So yeah, if it's for you, fantastic. If not, that's okay. But I just wanted to give you my take on it. But it looks freaking amazing, doesn't it? It looks amazing.